I got a PC based little cheap oscilloscope online. The Hantek 6022BE, 20 megahertz, 48 megasamples a second. Oh, I've hooked the same thing to it as I did the Zoe. Got the program on the computer. So here we go. So there it is. It's working just like it did the other one. Now I'm getting to use yet a second oscilloscope or oscilloscope, PC based. So that one's fun. It's not as fast or accurate as a benchtop one, but I can't afford that yet. So, but I'll get one in a little while. But for right now, this is glorious. I love it. Y'all have a good one. Love you, Dad.